Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Strings and Threads, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy crochet dishcloth using the Crossed Single Crochet Stitch. This is a great beginner crochet project if you're learning new stitches and want something practical you can actually use. The Crossed Single Crochet Stitch creates a really beautiful textured crochet fabric, and it works perfectly for dishcloths and washcloths. If you'd like to learn the stitch first, I also have a full crossed single crochet stitch tutorial, and I'll link that below in the description so you can practice the stitch before starting the project. This dishcloth works up quickly, uses basic crochet skills, and it's a great way to practice textured stitches while making something useful for your kitchen. Let's get started. For this tutorial, you'll need medium weight cotton yarn. I will be using this Peaches and Cream. You'll need scissors, a yarn needle for weaving in ends, and a hook, crochet hook that's the appropriate size for the yarn that you're using. In my case, I'm using an eye or a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. For the stitch we use in this dishcloth, it's worked in multiples of 2 and then at the end +1 for the foundation chain. So for a washcloth size, I'm going to chain 31, but you are welcome to adjust how many stitches you make depending on what size you want. So I'm gonna go, I just did the slip knot. I'm gonna go ahead and chain 31 stitches, and then I'll come back to show you what to do in this first foundation row. I have 31 chains. We're going to start by putting 1 single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So you can see this one's the 1st chain from the hook. Here's the 2nd. The 3rd is right here. I'm going to put a single crochet here. Then I'm going to chain 1, skip 1 chain, and put a single crochet into the next chain. And we're going to follow this pattern all the way across. Chain 1, put 1 single crochet, well, skip 1, put 1 single crochet into the next. Do one more time with you. Chain 1, skip 1, put a single crochet in the next. Finish this row and then come back for the next step. I've gone all the way across. Now I'm going to turn. This row we are just going to repeat until it's the size that you want it to be. So this is a 1 row repeat, nice and easy breezy. We're going to chain 1, put a single crochet into the first single crochet, and then we are going to go into the chain space, which is right next to that single crochet, go in and draw up a loop, and then go into the next chain space right here, go in and draw up a loop, and we're going to single crochet those together. And then we're going to chain 1, go back into this same chain space, and we're going to single crochet this chain space and the next chain space together. Chain 1. Go into the same chain space, single crochet this and the next chain space together. Chain 1. Single crochet this chain space and the next chain space together. Chain 1. Go back into the same chain space. We're doing the same pattern all the way across. The next chain space together. Chain 1. Go into this same chain space we were just in, and then the next one, the next chain space, single crochet them together. Chain 1. Go into the same chain space you're in, single crochet that and the next one together, chain 1, go back into the same space, and then the next space, single crochet those together, chain 1, we're almost there. And I did the whole row. I just wanted to make sure that the directions were clear. Same space, next space, single crochet them together, chain 1, same space, and then the next chain space, single crochet them together, chain 1, single crochet this chain space and the next chain space together, chain 1, single crochet this chain space and the next chain space together, oops, chain 1, almost there, single crochet this chain space and the next chain space together, chain 1, and then just put a single crochet into the last single crochet and then turn. And you're going to follow the same exact directions that we just did. You'll single crochet into the first and then do your single crochets together, the decreases and chain 1s. I will bookmark the repeat in the description so you can come back and find it if you need to see it again. So whatever, if you want to make it a perfect square, whatever length you have, you will build it up to that same length so that it's a square. If you wanted a rectangle, you could keep going and make it longer. You're welcome to make it smaller, bigger, but when you have the correct size, come back for the next thing. And that's how you make this easy crochet dishcloth using the crossed single crochet stitch. This project is perfect for beginners who want to practice textured stitches while making something practical. Once you're comfortable with this stitch, you can also use it for scarves, blankets, headbands, and other crochet projects. If you'd like to learn the stitch itself step by step, be sure to check out my crossed single crochet stitch tutorial, which I've linked in the description. And if you enjoy beginner crochet tutorials, crochet stitches, and easy crochet projects, you can subscribe for more crochet videos every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.